Guys, after creating the admin and user cluster, I want to connect I want to connect my Anthos cluster with a GKE environment. For doing this, first of all, I have to fetch the token. Here it's showing some error, base 64 invalid input. In that particular scenario, I'm going to remove this option and I will decode the base 64 value over the internet. In that case, first of all, I will copy this value and open a website. You have to type the base 64 and choose the first website. Paste the value there and decode it. You have to copy this value and then you have to log in your GCP account and move under the Kubernetes cluster. This cluster I have created right now, and let me log in. You have these four options are available. I am logging it via token. If base 64 is working in your environment, then you have to copy the value. Otherwise, remove the base 64 from the command and copy this value, decode it from the browser, and then copy the value and put it under the token. Now let's try to log in. Yeah, right now it's showing the status is green. This is my user cluster which created over the on-prem VM environment. These are the three nodes which are available there. Guys, you can see that here the workload information.